What's up, everybody? Dees here, and we're going to be doing a recipe today. We're doing a keto-friendly recipe, and it is a broccoli cheddar soup. So if you haven't already done so, subscribe, and let's get started. You're going to need 4 cups of broccoli, 2 cups of chicken broth or vegetable broth, whatever you have, 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, which is a thickening agent similar to cornstarch. So we're going to start off by pushing sauté and heating up our pressure cooker. You're going to need 1 cup of chopped onions, and you're going to need the 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. You're going to let those heat up and kind of get a little translucent, and then you're going to add in your 2 cups of chicken broth or vegetable broth, whatever you have available. Go ahead and put your tablespoon of salt and your tablespoon of black pepper. Now, if you don't want either one of them, you can definitely leave those out, or if you want to add a little bit more, depending on your taste. We're going to go ahead and add in our 4 cups of broccoli chopped. We'll give that a little bit of a toss, and then from there we'll go ahead and put our lid on our pressure cooker. Now you'll see that the liquid's not going to cover the broccoli completely, but by the time it's done, it will. So you're going to put it on high pressure for 4 minutes, and it should come to pressure pretty quickly because we had it on sauté. That's what it looks like when it's complete. And now we're going to go ahead and add our additional liquid in, which is 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum, which is the thickening agent. And you're going to push sauté once again to get it kind of warmed up in preparation for our cheddar cheese. We're going to go ahead and add in our 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Now this is a mild cheddar cheese, or you can go with a more sharper charred cheddar cheese if you'd like. Go ahead and give that a mix. Make sure all the cheese is melted. And there you go. There is our keto-friendly broccoli cheddar soup. What's up, everybody? Dees here, and I want to share some super exciting news. So every Sunday we normally do a video about cooking using the Instapot, Mealthy pot, whatever the device is. But moving forward, in the next 2 weeks, we'll be launching something called Wednesday Reviews. And that's going to be me in front of the camera, at least for a little bit, talking about some cool accessories, products, electronics, things that excite me that are coming out, so that you guys can get the information that you need to understand if you should purchase it or if you should just let it go. Continue watching my cooking videos, continue watching and subscribing if you haven't already done so, and share it with your friends and family. Talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you around. Take care.